Ano ang sinasabi ng salita ng Diyos o ng Biblia tungkol sa pride? Let's go. Proverbs 16:8. Pride goes before destruction and the haughty spirit before a fall. Proverbs 11:2. When pride comes, then comes disgrace, but with humility comes wisdom. James 4:6. God opposes the proud, but gives grace to the humble. Proverbs 29:23. Pride brings a person low, but the lowly in spirit gain honor. Obadiah chapter 1 verse 3-4. The pride of your heart has deceived you. From there I will bring you down. 1 Peter 5:5. Clothe yourself with humility. God opposes the proud. Isaiah 2:12. The Lord has a day against all that is proud and lofty. Proverbs 8:13. I hate pride and arrogance, evil behavior and perverse speech. Romans 12:3. Do not think of yourself more highly than you ought. Jeremiah chapter 9 verse 23-24. Let the one who boast in this, that they know me. Daniel chapter 4 verse 37. Those who walk in pride, he is able to humble. Psalm 10 verse 4. In his pride the wicked does not seek him. Proverbs 21:4. Haughty eyes and a proud heart produce sin. Isaiah 13:11. I will humble the proud and the ruthless. 2 Chronicles 26:16. His pride has led to his downfall. Walang opinion. Binasa ko lang.